गुड मॉर्निंग। पढ़े और कार्ल पियर्सन का कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन की बोर हो रहा है। आज हम एक अलग टाइप का प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं, तो आपको होपफुली ये बोर नहीं होगा। अब ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम जो दिख रहा है, आप देखिए इसको। अब तक हमने क्या किया है, until today whatever we have done is we have calculated these values, है ना। We have calculated x bar and y bar, that is the mean of x series and mean of y series. What we did is we totaled up all these values and divided them by the number of observations, and we found out these values. But if you will notice, in today's problem we have been given the mean values of the x and the y series, but a value of the y series is missing. And we have also been asked to compute Karl Pearsons coefficient of correlation. So how are we going to do this? This is not much of a problem since we know the equation and we know two values which we did not know previously. So now let us see how this problem is solved. We will move on to the solution. See here. They say let the unknown value be a. Okay, what is the unknown value? Whatever is the unknown value, let it be a. Summation y is equal to n y bar. How did we get this? Look at this. This used to be the formula for calculation of the mean. You remember, this is our previous problem. Y bar, or mean of the y series, is summation y upon n, isn't it? So what is summation y? Summation y is y bar multiplied by n, which is given here. Summation y is y bar multiplied by n. What is summation 5? We don't know. We cannot find out because one value of the y series is missing, isn't it? But yet we know that whatever summation y is will be a total of all this plus the missing value, which we have called a. So now what we do is we add up all the values of the y series and we get a total of 575 plus a, which is summation y, the total of the y series, is equal to n. What is n? N is the number of observations. How many observations do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 observations. So this is 10 multiplied by y bar 65. Where did this 65 come from? It has been given in the problem. Y bar is 65. So now we will go back to the equation. Now what is the equation? The equation is 575 plus a is equal to 650. Let a be here. We will move 575 to the other side of the equation. When 575 moves to the other side, it will change its sign. So we have a is equal to 650 minus 575, which is 75. So now we know that this missing value of the y series is 75. Now it is our regular way of solving the problem. We note down all the values of the x series. We do not have to calculate x bar because it is already given 66. So we move on to the next column, calculation of the deviations from the mean. So 84 minus 66 is 18. 51 minus 66 is minus 15. 91 minus 66 is 25. 60 minus 66 is minus 6. 68 minus 66 is 2. 62 minus 66 is minus 4. 86 minus 66 is 20. 58 minus 66 is minus 8. 53 minus 66 is minus 13. And 47 minus 66 is minus 19. We have huge values here. So the next column is dx square, where we are squaring each of these values. 18 square 324, 15 square 225, minus 15 square 225, 25 square 625, minus 6 square 36, 2 square 4, minus 4 square 16, 20 square 400, minus 8 square 64, minus 13 square 169, and minus 19 square 361. Total them up, which is 2224. Similarly, we do it for the y series. We note down the y series. Also, now remember that summation y is 575 plus 75, which is 650. There is a typing error here. This should be 575 plus 75, which is 650. Now we move on to calculation of dx, that is the deviations of the mean from the values of the y series. 78 minus 66 is 13. 36 minus 66 is minus 29. 98 minus 66 is 33. 25 minus 66 is there seems to be some error over here. Minus 40. 75. Oh my god, wait. What is? It is 65. No wonder everything seemed haphazard. Girls, please note that this is 65, not 66. So 78 minus 65 is 13. 36 minus 65 is minus 29. 98 minus 65 is 33. 25 minus 65 is minus 40. 75 minus 65 is 10. 82 minus 65 is 17. 90 minus 65 is 25. 62 minus 65 is minus 3. 65 minus 65 is 0. And 39 minus 65 is minus 26. In the next column, which is dy square, we square all these values. 13 square is 169. Minus 29 square 841. 33 square 1089. Minus 40 square plus 1600. 10 square 100. 17 square 289. 25 square 625. Minus 3 square 9. 0 is 0, and minus 26 square is 676. Now we move on to the calculation of the next column, and that is dx into dy. Multiply these values dx with dy. There is another typing error here. This is dy, not dx, and this is 65. Please make changes. Now here we have 18 multiplied by 13, which is 234, minus 15 multiplied by minus 29, which is 435, 25 multiplied by 33, which is 825, minus 6 multiplied by minus 40 is plus 240, 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, minus 4 multiplied by 17 is, are we doing it right? Minus 4 multiplied by 17 is minus 68. 20 multiplied by 25 is 500. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 24. Minus 13 multiplied by 0 is 0. And minus 19 multiplied by minus 26 is plus 494, and the total is 2705. Now all that remains is substitution into the formula, which is given r is equal to summation dx dy upon under root summation dx square into summation dy square. Notice that in the previous example we have used the formula which had standard deviation. Here the formula does not have standard deviation. So we will substitute the values that we have found out. The total of summation dx dy is 2704 divided by under root. Summation dx square is 2224 and summation dy square is 5398 and r is 0.75. So with this we complete another problem, and in the next problem we are going to change the formula as well as change the type of series from simple to continuous series. So hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.